hope you're well. I'm going to do a lovely little watercolour abstract today. I'm going to use the Melange paints and a size 10 brush. The colours I'm going to use are this lush purple here. Very nice colour, just add a bit of water. And I'm just going to draw some shapes onto the page. Just need a little bit more water here. This is a beautiful purple from Melange, really vibrant colour, and if you're doing wet on wet with this colour, it really does granulate. You can see I've used quite a lot of that colour in my paintings. If you have a look at historical paintings, you'll see that it's a regular colour that I use. It's just so pretty. I'm going to use this blue that's next to it. See what that looks like. Very strong colour. Colours are mixing on the edge. Okay, I'm going to do some little triangle shapes. Just using the end of my brush. Very delicately. Just going to add a little bit more purple to this down the side. A little bit more down this side. Using various pressure as I go up the page. Just drawing it all out. Roundish shapes here with the purple. More square than round. Down the side, some center pieces to these, add some little connecting dots, so they're like little chains. Adding a bit of depth by just layering some colour on the existing colours. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. Oh, before I go, I think I'm just going to put one more little. Just going to let that dry. Painting's now dry, almost. There's still some wet pieces there, but I think I can work with it as it is. I'm just going to do some fine line drawing and just do lines freehand. I'm using a 0.5, see how I get on with that, and just to make it, just to enhance the picture a bit more. Around the edge of the paper just to line it, so it's got a nice neat edge when you peel away that tape. Got a white acrylic paint pen, and I'm just going to add some dots just for some interest. Going to peel away the tape, and there you have it, beautiful purpley blue abstract painting. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Okay then, bye.